Hey guys, everything, and today we're gonna unboxing and having a quick look of the Samsung Level U. And guys, Samsung Level U are kind of neckband kind of earphones, and they actually come in under 3,000 rupees as rated on MRP. It is 2,999, but you can get it around 2,800 or something like that. So this is the box, as you can see. Now let's open it. And guys, in the later part of the video, I'll give you my review after using them for a couple of weeks. So this is the first thing that we have, and it's a quick start guide. It's a pretty fatty book, so I don't know why they include this much of paperwork. And we have some ear tips and some more ear tips as well, so that's a good thing. We are getting a pretty good amount of accessory with this. So this is what it is, and these are the earphones itself. So let me just take them out, and as on top it's level branding, and here we have a power on off button. So this is what it is, and here we have some. And guys, this is the charging port that we have. It is a micro USB port, so you can charge it via this. And these are the control buttons: volume up, volume down, and a power button. And if you hold it up, then it goes into the pairing mode. And guys, as you can see, we have a LED indicator light on the right hand side. On the left side we have a microphone, and it is actually a secondary microphone. And guys, this is actually not mandatory, but you can download a Samsung Level app. So you can download it from Play Store. Let me just give you a quick overview of this app. So you just hold the button to just pair it with your phone via Bluetooth. So as you can see, we have a orange and blue light blinking, so it means it is in pairing mode. So let's open the app, and now as it detected, let's connect it. And now it is connected, and we have a really not advanced mode. We have just nothing, just some notification option. Let's go to the notification panel, and this is a volume knob or whatever you call it. So this is connection manager, manage notification. It just gives you the vibration effect or to just notify you whenever notification comes. So you can just select it, the app for your notification. It's a pretty simple, nothing much. Let's just go back, and this is a favorite application just for notification only. It just gives you notification or does nothing. So you can choose the apps for your notification like YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, etc. And this is the volume, a music auto off whenever you pair. And this is the notification to turn or on off. And this is the battery indicator, and yeah, it's good. We have a battery indicator. So guys, this is a pretty simple app that you can download. And guys, now let me just talk about the build quality. And guys, build quality is, as you can see, it's not that great. It's made up of plastic, and I actually really scared when I carry it around that it breaks or something like that. So you have to be really careful with it, because the build quality is not that great. It gives you that plasticky feel. So yeah. And guys, in terms of the fitting is really good, I have to say. If you do a lots of workout or something like that, then these are good for you. As you can see, this just goes and fits in your ear, and I would recommend you to use this angular type or whatever you call it, this kind of ear tips, which are really fitful. So in terms of fitting, I do not have any kind of problem. But guys, in terms of the sound isolation, the sound isolation is not that great. Yeah, if you wear them in the noisy area, then the noise is really bad. So in terms of the noise cancellation, they are not doing pretty good job. And now guys, in terms of the sound quality, I have to say the sound quality is really good. the bass is not that much high, so if you are expecting a really good bass, then the bass is actually not that much high. But if you want a crisp and clear sound, then these are good for you, and they are magnetic as well, so if you wear them, then it is a pretty good idea, I have to say. But in terms of the sound quality, I'll give them 7 out of 10. And in terms of the looks, I have to say the looks is also pretty good. So guys, this is for this video now, and I have to say, if you really want a level U earphones, then you can buy it, but at this price point they are not offering what you would expect, I have to say. But yeah, this is for this video now. If you have to decide what you need according to your priorities. So guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, get subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below, and guys, hit the bell icon as well to just get notified each time we upload a new video. And goodbye, see you later.